For me, it's been really important as a secondary school teacher that I've done many other Te Reo courses, and this is the one that's been most practical for my classroom. So I've taken things straight from the class and implemented it straight away into the classroom. And I just get more and more layers, but it's very practical and immediate. And an incredibly relaxing atmosphere, particularly because the no stress of assessments, which is fantastic, but also I've tried to take the sort of kaupapa, the way of teaching into my classroom as well, so that my students have a similar no stress kind of atmosphere within the classes. So it's been fantastic. I'd really recommend it for secondary teachers. It's also great getting to know the other levels, the early childhood and the primary school teachers in my area as well, and what they're doing at primary school in particular, that are coming into the secondary schools, and we need to catch up because they're doing a lot, from what I see, they're doing a lot more in primary than they're doing in secondary. And our students will come through expecting that, so we need to know. Yeah.